Okay, I would like to talk to you now about numbers in Spanish. This is on page 8, and there are a couple things that the book doesn't mention that are important, I think. First of all, when you have the number 1, you can use uno by itself. So for instance, tengo uno. I have one of something masculine, right? So a noun that's masculine. But if you had the masculine noun and it was followed, if the masculine noun came after uno, it would change to un. So, tengo un hermano. I have one brother. Or a brother. It doesn't really matter. It means the same thing. And then, for instance, if I had a sister, tengo una hermana. I have one sister, a sister. Okay? Does that make sense? Dos, tres, cuatro, up through diez, it makes sense. Remember that 11 is one word. It's not diez, diez y uno or anything. 12 is doce. 13 is trece. 14 is catorce. Okay? But keep this in mind, and then quince here. Now, the book says that 16 is dieciséis. So make sure I spell that right. So notice you have an accent mark and it's written as one word. But you can also write this out as diez y seis. It's excuse me. It's not as common anymore, but I don't think the book makes any mention of that. So that could be written out as 3 words. The same thing for 17. Diecisiete becomes diez y siete. So there's nothing wrong with doing that. 18, same thing. Dieciocho becomes diez y ocho. 19, diez y nueve, right? Or diecinueve, diez y nueve, 20, veinte. Okay? And notice that V is pronounced like a B. Veinte. When you get to 21, you have the same thing as what you had with uno. So, tengo 21. Alright? So if you wrote out, I have, 21, let's see, 21 pens, for instance, 21 bolígrafos, right? So you'd actually make it un, like you did up here, and if you had something feminine, tengo 21 casas. I have 21 houses. Wow, that'd be a lot, but anyway. You make it feminine like that. The same thing happens in the 20s where you can write them out as more than one word. So you could say 20 y dos, 20 y tres, or more traditionally 22, 23. Okay? So I just want to make sure everybody is aware that you actually can write out these as 3 separate words. When you get to 30, they have to be written as 3 separate words, but when you 16 to 19, you have the choice of writing one word or separate, and then 21 through 29, you can write as one word or separately. So thank you very much, and I'll make another video soon with some more information.